Coupons to check before you order in Domino's Pizza Deals. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Domino's on your device. Here, go to the menu section and then click on Set Your Store for Local Pricing. Then add your region, select, and then you'll find all the stores near you. Select one of the stores you want to order from. And after you've done that, you'll find deals at the top in the featured section. These are the coupons. You can simply click on order now and the coupon will be added to your order and you'll get some discount or the deals that are available. For examples, this is pickup from $6 large value pizza, new pizzas, and this is how to check coupons before you order in Domino's Pizza Deals. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.